Today is a teach you reference primitive tool. It's used to set lines, notches, points, holes, etc. as a reference primitive. Right-click in blank area and click 3 dots to add the tool. The cursor shows that S is setting. Click Shift to switch to C. It's console setting. Use the left button box to select lines and the line was set. Use the intelligent pen to draw new lines on the lines. Click View to hide or display lines. Switch to the console settings function. Left button to box select lines can be cancelled. Thanks for watching.